Okay, so I attempted to do this earlier, but then I realized I didn't have my microphone on. But the worst part is I made a few good jokes. Okay, there's like 3 seconds left. Can some more people come in? Oh, yeah? No! Okay, good. We got 5 guys. We have the 5 brilliant men of the military. The only problem with this is the intro is like a million years long, so I'm gonna have to sit through this all again. Also, I was in the game for a while and I never even got into the airplane. Oh yeah, funny witty joke I made was, what is our secret mission? Is it nothing? Wow, so funny. So funny. You're brother. No, I'm not wondering. I'm going to stomp on your face. Because I hate you. Because you're totally the one who... You're definitely the one who made me, not have my microphone on. That's totally what happened. Very real and legit. Also, ignore this. It will not get off anymore. No matter how much I try, it does not come off. It physically can't. I don't know why, but it won't. If I'm recording, this physically can't get off the screen, so all I did was just took the opacity and made it 20%. Because it can't do anything else for some reason! I need a new recording software. Oh, well, I'm already sitting on a chair. Hopefully this server won't have little 2 babies who just walk around not understanding what is going on and don't do anything as to what they're supposed to do, and then literally everyone except one other person that is not me leaves the game for absolutely no reason. Like, they didn't even die, they just decided, I hate this, I'm leaving. And then I literally just have to do the rest of the game with only one person, because that's what happened the first time I attempted to do this. I don't really know what to say, because now this already happened, so there's not really anything to say anymore. Because this all already happened for me, and I know what's gonna happen now. And I mean, until a certain point in. Why did I just check my own YouTube channel to see if there was any video? An idiot. Whoa. Yo, guys, wow. It's literally still going on. How long I forgot how long this is. And how did I even forget? Okay, finally, we actually move. I mean, only for like 2 seconds. Now we gotta wait like a really long time, a second time. I'm ready. Shut up. Okay, we're finally down here. Oh my gosh. Now time to wait 6 years for him to continue, like, saying a million things again. Oh yeah, after I get an outfit on. And then after I get the outfit on, I'm gonna have to wait 6 years for this to open up so I can go over there, and then wait 6 years for him to go over here. And then that's basically all that happened. So yeah. Dude, go put on a military outfit. Dude, he's literally telling you to put on go put on a military outfit. You also put on a military outfit. Oh my god. He was literally, douche. They were literally saying put on military outfit. Alright, so this is as far as I got until I realized my microphone was not on. Yo, let's check the system. Oh, can you just walk off and die? Guys, walk off for free Robux. Do it, guys. We don't have enough fuel. Okay, well, neither the fuel plane tank completely before we take off. So I assume we're going to like look for tanks. Oh, that is a fuel nozzle. There's 4 of them around the cave. Okay, that guy's already doing it. I'm not moving right now. I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna. The thing is, I'm really good at obbies, and this guy probably isn't. Oh man, he got it. Oh! No! What? Hello? Why does it take 7 minutes to get there? And we still don't even go into the airplane. What the heck? Oh, I can move this around. I can put it in the corner. Okay, well, oh yeah, I never said this. I said it in the original recording, so I forgot to say it here. I forgot to upload for the past few days, so I'm gonna try to upload 5 times today, even though that's probably not going to happen, but I'm going to try to. So yeah, this is the first upload. Goodbye.